Hey everybody, it's Streama. This is the main house, and I just came into the front door. This would be the living room. Looks like plaster walls. Walking straight from the door, this looks like there's some paneling, and this would be the kitchen. And then there's a little pantry area. This is where the washer dryer would be, on this wall right here, right off of your kitchen. Okay, to the left of the kitchen is another room that I think that they were kind of using as their living room, because there's a little area that's not screened, but the little porch area in the backyard. These walls still look like plaster. And this is the closet that I said had the, looks like pretty new ductwork. Because that's been capped off. Okay. Sharon, this is the other room that I was talking about. This was, right there's the front door. So this is the room you would come to that would have been on the left. Popcorn. Okay. So this is still the room. This is the room back off of the kitchen. And as I was saying, if I would go straight to the little hallway, which there's a hole, this actually looks like sheetrock. There's a guest bath. And then they have some shelves behind the door. Okay. Now, so this is the room to the right, and this is the room that has a bathroom. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this would be the room to the left. And it's just a bedroom. And that's the cottage. Okay, I'll get this to you.